As a woman, who inspires me? It has to be someone strong,
My inspiration are my family.
courageous,
My inspiration is my parents.
empowered,
My inspiration is my mother.
can handle anything life throws at her.
Inspiration is my grandmother.
I interviewed a group of students to ask the question, who inspires you?
My inspiration is my mother.
And one word stood out.
My mother.
Strong leaders both in and outside of the household, an inspiration to many, including myself. So I interviewed leaders of different sectors of the community who are either mothers themselves or inspired greatly by their mothers.
Actually, I came from a very poor family. I also have experienced abuses in the family, and nobody will fight for me. And if we don't take the role to lead or empower women to do that, who will take care of our women, especially the abused, especially the marginalized?
Kay daghan kayo ang mga babae nga gustong mo himo og mga kausaban sa ilang kinabuhi pero dili nila ma-voice out. Kaya nisulod ko ani para maging advocates nila.
I love my work and I love helping people. I love to also improve their way of life, their perspective in life also.
Being a nurse, we're looking after with the little help that we can, as much as we can, with the limited resources that we have for cancer patients. Because being Filipino, there's not a whole lot of resources, so be it financial or educational. So now for us, because we don't have a whole lot of resources also in Valencia Local Council of Women, we try to educate them. So we try to meet them where they are and their understanding.
Mga close-minded gani, dili sila ganahan nga dunay mo lead sa mga matawag nga strong women pero kulang og kapasidad nga mo voice out sa ilang mga needs. Criticize ka nga nganong ikaw, nganong naging ikaw sa imong kakayahan, but usag-usa na to dunay kakayahan.
So for me and my mother, I came from a big family. We're 13 in the family. My mom was a farmer. I cannot even imagine how hard she worked for letting us go to school.
Then Leni Robredo, how she was able to submerge herself to the communities during the time that she was pregnant, I think with her third child. She was sleeping with the fisher folks on a boat.
I have always honored my mother, very patient, and I want to have that patience that she was able to give me.
My mother serves as my role model. We are 9 in the family. If not because of her, we would not be what we are now. Start within yourself, do your best, and never give up in pursuing what you want in order to make a change in your community.
You start with you. Like Filipina, we are raised to be subservient, so it's kind of hard for us to find our voice, to get that power back. As a woman, we're powerful.
Dili magduha-duha pagawas kung unsay ilang gibati, di mahadlok nga i-critic sa ubang tao nganong naghimo ka ana, barugan nimo nga ikaw kaya mo as a babae, kaya mong manginabuhi, kaya mong stand sa imong prinsipyo, dili ka pwedeng abusuhan, dili ka pwedeng ipagawas ang imong katungod, dili pwedeng dili nimo himuon ang gusto nimo himuon alang pakayuhan sa imong family and the community.
Be courageous enough. Be empowered. Do not be shy. Stand up and speak out if you think that you can help other women, especially those abused, especially those marginalized. Go out from your shell and get ready to help others.
You can be somebody. Let's be a woman. Let's be helpful, and we can be part of the greater Philippines.
This really overflows to my children, especially Angie, who I believe is a great leader, and being a great leader in school and in the community is really a fulfillment. I am so proud of her, not only being a leader, but being a good daughter to her parents.
Be empowered, be strong, and be yourself were the words that echoed through these interviews. And as an aspiring student leader myself, I definitely have a lot to learn from these amazing women, starting of course with my own mother.